New construction home on almost an acre, 0.97. Country living. Fabulous open floor plan, beautifully appointed kitchen west/quartz countertops, white cabinets west/soft close drawers and doors. Stainless steel appliances including a stove, dishwater, microwave and French door refrigerator. Family room west/fireplace, dining, mudroom area off the garage, powder room and LG laundry on the first floor. The primary bedroom has a huge walk-in closet and an incredible ensuite, separate soaking tub, tiled shower, 2 shower heads, double bowl vanity and private water closet. 3 additional bedrooms, full bath, west/double bowl vanity, all on the second floor. Covered porch west/paver patio and fire pit in backyard. 2-car garage west/opener and epoxy sealed painted floor. Well and septic. Builder offering 2% CCA west/use of builder preferred settlement agent.